Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the new topic from the organic chemistry paper, that is electrophilic addition to carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, now this is the more basic topic from the understanding of the mechanism of the electrocyclic addition reaction towards the pi bond actually. Okay, first of all we have to discuss the how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds will exist along with this carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond. So let us start here. In this topic, we have to concentrate on the electrophilic addition towards carbon-carbon double bond first, and then we have to emphasize on the carbon-carbon triple bond. Whatever may be the reactions which are for the carbon-carbon double bond, that reactions already are almost same as that for the carbon-carbon triple bond, which may be differing only a small amount. So let us start here, that is carbon-carbon double bond here. Okay, first of all, here carbon-carbon double bond, this linkage is called as a olefin, or it is also called as an alkene. You have to start from the basic level here. Okay, it is alkene. Now in this carbon-carbon double bond, actually what is the valency of carbon? That is equal to 4. That is, these are the substrates which are attached to that of carbon. Now we have to concentrate on this double bond only. Okay, that is seeing this carbon-carbon double bond here. Okay, how many in the double bonds? How many bonds are here exist? There are two kinds of bonds. First is sigma bond, and second is about a pi bond. Out of C double bond C, that is in a alkene, here one of the bond is known as a sigma bond, okay, and one of the bond is known as a pi bond. Okay, already you are familiar with a definition of a sigma bond and a pi bond. Just I am reminding this definition, that is sigma bond is formed by axial overlap of atomic orbitals of a carbon atom of 1 and 2 in a internuclear axis. That bond is known as a sigma bond. Okay, while the pi bond refers to the overlapping of the pi orbitals, that is on a sidewise overlapping. Along with this is the sidewise overlapping of the pi orbitals in a sidewise overlapping. Okay, that our orbitals are called as a pi orbitals, and this pi bond and the bond is formed between the two p orbitals. Okay, that bond is called as a pi bond. Okay, as far as its capacity is considered, sigma bond is called as a stronger bond. Okay, and pi bond is always a weak bond. Okay, therefore in a carbon-carbon double bond, here pi bond is a diffused in a carbon atoms. Okay, as this is a pi bond is a weak bond which contains the electrons, they have to ability to combine with the other reagents to form the more stable sigma bonds. Okay, that is, in order to we have to say that is whatever may be the pi bonds of an electrons have a tendency to react with the other electrophilic reagents to give rise to say stable formation of a pi bond. That is the characteristics of a addition reactions. That is, pi bonds undergoes the addition with a reagents to form a stable sigma bond here. Okay, we can write here the structure for this olefin or alkene. See here, what is the structure here? That is, first is C double bond, see here. Okay, these are the pi bonds here. Okay, again we can draw here in same way that is here. Now this bond is formed by, that is overlapping of this axial overlapping. Okay, and these are the which, that is the p orbitals. Now formation of a lateral overlapping of p orbitals, that is nothing but here, that is C. This is the sigma bond, and here formation of overlaps of the overlapping orbitals are here, this type of bond here, that is called as a pi bond. Okay, lateral overlapping of pi orbitals. Again we can write here as in the simple way, that is pi orbitals are here, C double bond C here, this is a sigma bond, and we have to write this electron density towards like this. Pi bond here. Okay, thus we can explain here, that is whatever may be the less stable pi bonds are here, pi electrons of a pi bond tends to stabilize with a sigma bond by reacting with a reagents. That is the characteristics of a addition reactions, that is these pi bonds reacts with a electrophilic reagents to form the electrophilic addition reactions across the pi bonds. If instead of this electrophilic, if a nucleophile is present along with the reaction reagent as the reagent instead of this electrophile, then what happens here, that is nucleophilic addition reactions takes place along with the carbon-carbon double bond. So let us discuss some of the addition reactions, that is electrophilic addition reactions towards carbon-carbon double bond. So do not confuse this, that is how many pi bonds and how many sigma bonds are existing. C double bond C here. Okay, within this structure only this is one sigma bond and one pi bond is exist. Okay, so let us start here from the syllabus point of view, that is known as a number of reactions. Okay, see here. Electrophilic addition reactions. Totally there are 7 addition reactions. You have to see. First, I am giving to you chart. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and here also a 7. First is, that is addition of hydrogen. Second, addition of halogen. Third, addition of halogen acids. Fourth is addition of halo acids, halohalides. Okay. Next one is addition of water. Next one is addition of boron. Next one is addition of a ozone. Okay. Now what are these reactions? Addition of hydrogen, hydrogenations. Addition of halogen, halogenation. Here addition of halogen acids, that is known as a HX. Okay. Which may be the compounds may be symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Of this, the halogen acids are added according to a Markovnikov's rule or a anti-Markovnikov's rule. Addition of halohalides, that is OH and X, that is formation of Halohydrins. Halohydrins. Here addition of water, hydration. Okay. Addition of boranes, that is likewise RBH2. Okay. R2BH and R3B. And addition of ozone means A. That is nothing but the ozonolysis reactions. So one by one we have to discuss here. That is the electrophilic addition towards the carbon-carbon double bond. See here, first reaction, that is known as a first reaction here. Addition of hydrogen towards carbon-carbon double bond. What happens here? Addition of water, addition of H2 takes place through a double bond, and what? Formation of an alkane takes place. Okay, what is the reaction? That is carbon-carbon double bond here. See double bond C here. Okay, that is a olefin or an alkene plus addition of a which? That is hydrogen. H bond H here. Okay, one of the H is goes on here. This bond goes on here. This bond is, and one of the H is goes on here. There is formation of that is CH2 single bond CH2. Okay, that is there is formation of a simple alkane. Okay, what happens here? That is addition of a hydrogen, that is nothing but the H bond H here across the double bond. Double bond means what? Here the addition of this hydrogen takes place according to the which bond? That is sufficiently a pi bond here. Okay, thus there is formation of a from alkene to alkane through the hydrogen. Then the reaction is known as a hydrogenation. This hydrogenation reaction is carried out in presence of the catalyst nickel, palladium. Okay, and the formation of a alkane takes place. Now second reaction, that is addition of halogen. Second reaction, addition of halogen. Okay, across carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, what happens when halogen adds? When halogen adds across carbon-carbon double bond, formation of vicinal dihalides. Dihalides takes place. What formation takes place? That is the formation of a vicinal dihalides. Okay, when halogen is added. See the reactions. This is carbon-carbon double bond here. This is alkene. Okay, plus halogen considered as a X. Okay, now this X gets added to here. This double bond is fluid. This double bond is fluid here. This X gets added to here. That is CX and CX here. Okay, this is the formation of a vicinal dihalide. Okay, when halogen is added across the double bond, there is formation of from alkene to vicinal dihalide. Okay, now the third reaction is, that is here third, addition of a halogen acids. Halogen acids. Halogen acids can be designated by HX, which may be of HX is equal to what? HCl, HBr and HI. Okay, across the carbon-carbon double bond. When the halogen acids added across the carbon-carbon double bond, here formation of here formation of which takes place here, that is C double bond C here, okay, plus halogen acids HX here. This is the symmetrical alkene, therefore there is no necessity of applying a Markovnikov rule, because every one of these carbon atoms of the hydrogen atoms may be of a similar one. Therefore here one of the H is added to here, one of the X is added to here. There is formation of a alkyl halide, which, that is formation of a alkyl halide takes place. That is C here, that is here formation of H and this is H. This is known as a alkyl halide. Okay, when the halogen acids are added across the carbon-carbon double bond, that is on a alkene. Now next is, that is, these are the three. Next is addition of hypohalous acid. Next is, here I am writing here as addition of hypohalous acid, which may be denoted as OH and X. Hypo means OH. Hypo means hypohalous acids. Okay, OH and X. Okay, what is the reaction of here? That is when OH is added across carbon-carbon double bond, formation of halohydrine takes place. Okay, then this, the reaction is like this, C double bond C here. Okay, this is known as a alkene. Okay, plus OH and X here, formation of this OH gets transferred to here, this bond is fluid here, this S gets transferred to here. Okay, thus there is formation of this OH and C of this halohydrine or halo alcohol, X halo alcohol, which may be formed as a product. When hypohalous acids is added across carbon-carbon double bond, formation of a halohydrine. This is the hypohalous acid. Across this carbon-carbon double bond, there is formation of a halo alcohol. Okay. Now the next reaction is that here that is addition of a water. Water means H2O, which can be exist as a OH and H. Okay, when water is added across carbon-carbon double bond, formation of an alcohol takes place. See the reaction, C double bond C here. Okay, this is an alkene plus OH, H here, one of the OH goes to here, okay, and H is goes on here. There is formation in presence of the acids, presence of acid H plus, okay. This reaction is takes place. There is formation of CH and COH. That is nothing but here the formation of a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. What is the next reaction? That is addition of a water. Water can be denoted as a HOH. Okay, this is H plus and this is OH minus. The formation of an alcohol is takes place. Okay. Now the next reaction is what? That is addition of a borane. Next reaction is addition of borane. BH3. Boranes are considered also as a acids. Okay. Now, when borane adds across carbon-carbon double bond, formation of alkyl boranes takes place. Here. Okay, the reaction is like this: C double bond C here. Okay, this is an alkene here. Okay, plus BH3, BH2 and H here. Okay, this H goes on here. The bond is closed as this, and this BH2 goes on here. Okay, there is formation of this H and BH2. That is alkyl borane. Okay. Also, there is formation of a dialkyl boranes, that is R2CR2. Okay, BH. Okay, or a trialkyl boranes like that is a R3B. Trialkyl borane. Borane is also takes place depending upon the number of borane molecules we have to use along with this addition across the carbon-carbon double bond. And last reaction is about the addition of a ozone. See here. Ozone, it may be represented as a O3. When ozone adds across carbon-carbon double bond, there is formation of a ozonide product takes place. See the reaction like this: C double bond C, this is an alkene, okay, plus O3. The process is known as a ozonolysis. Here this double bond is fluid, and here this oxygen is gets on these two molecules and opposite on this one, that is CO here, COO here. Okay, this type of product, that is ozonized product, it takes place. That is this is a addition reaction. Addition reaction. Thus we have seen the 7 type of reactions. First is the addition of the hydrogen. Okay. Second is the addition of the which, that is a halogen. Third is what? Addition of a halogen acids. Fourth is what? That is about addition of a hypohalous acid. Fifth is what? Addition of a water. Sixth is what? That is addition of a borane. And seventh is what? Addition of a ozones. Now we have to discuss along with this the main substrate and reagent, how the product is formed along with a electrocyclic addition reaction. That is electrophilic addition reaction here. Here. That is the mechanism part. See here, mechanism. Here we are going to start on here. That is C double bond C here plus XY. There is formation of which product here? That is C, X, and here C, and here Y. Okay. Now see its mechanism. This is a alkene, and this is a reagent which is having the polarities of, this is a plus positive and this is a delta negative. Okay, and this is the product. Okay, now what is the, now in this reagent, whatever may be the positive charge first attack on this pi electron density. See the mechanism here, that this C double bond C here plus this X delta plus, okay, Y delta minus. This bond is partially fluid here. This bond is again on here. There is formation of this, that is C, X. Okay. Now in between this, which is the part here, that is C. Here this. Okay. This is of the positive. Okay. Sorry, this is of a negative one here, and this is again transferred to here. Now what happens here? Guess whatever may be the positive, that is the electron density tends toward pi electron density attacks on this positively charged reagent. There is formation of this product after the displacement of this, and this bond breaks up here. Bond is breaks up again on a nucleophilic part of Y, which is attack on this electrophilic center, that is on this here, and there is formation of the product like this, X, and here also a Y. This is the product. Okay, this is the mechanism of electrophilic addition across carbon-carbon, a double bond in a electrophilic nature. Okay, thus we have explained here, that is electrophilic addition across carbon-carbon double bond and 7 addition reactions. Okay, in the next lecture we are going to discuss in detail, that is electrophilic addition across carbon-carbon double bond of a halogen acids. Okay, thank you.